Once, in a small town, there lived a young man named Arav. Arav was like most of us. He always felt he had plenty of time. He would procrastinate on his work, delay his goals, and spend endless hours scrolling through his phone, thinking he could always do things tomorrow. "I'm young. I have time," he would often say to himself. One day, his grandfather, a wise and humble man, sat him down. He had noticed Arav's habits and wanted to share something important. "Arav," he said, "do you know the value of time?" Arav smiled, not taking his grandfather's words seriously. "Time? It's just time, Grandpa. There's always more of it." His grandfather, with a twinkle in his eye, gave him a challenge. "I want you to meet me by the lake tomorrow morning at sunrise. Bring me the thing you value most in the world." The next morning, Arav woke up early, full of curiosity. He ran to the lake, and his grandfather was already there. "Arav, what did you bring me?" his grandfather asked. Arav hesitated. "I didn't know what to bring, so I just brought myself, Grandpa." His grandfather smiled gently and said, "The most valuable thing in life isn't something you can hold in your hand. It's time, your time. It's the one thing that once lost can never be regained." Arav looked puzzled, so his grandfather continued, "Just like how you brought yourself here, every day you are choosing how to spend your time. You're either investing it wisely or letting it slip away. Once it's gone forever." The next day, Arav decided to make changes. He started valuing his time, focusing on his work, spending quality time with his loved ones, and investing in his growth. The more he focused on valuing his time, the more he realized how much he had been wasting. Years went by, and Arav became a successful entrepreneur. Whenever people asked him about his success, he always said, "The secret to my success isn't what I know, but how I use my time. Time is the one thing we can't control, but it's the one thing that defines our destiny." So friends, remember, time waits for no one. It's precious. Once lost, it never comes back. Value your time, use it wisely, and your life will reflect the success you've invested in every moment.